Alright guys, no breakfast today. I'm just ready to get after it. Got the whole campsite packed up. Sitting here with the heater on, letting it warm up. So one thing today, before we go do $1 Million Highway, I want to go back to Durango, and this is going to sound silly, but I want to get a bucket. There's a reason for that. So before I left, I got a battery-powered shower. So you put the intake into water, and then it doesn't heat it or anything, but it pressurizes the water, and then you have a shower head. And I was thinking about it after the hike yesterday. I tell you what, I got in the camper and I used about half a thing of those dude wipes, cleaning myself off. I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't feel dirty or anything, but like my hair, yeah, I could definitely go for a nice shampoo and condition. You know what I'm saying? However, the gym I stopped at the other day was $20 for a day pass, which by no means is bad. Cheaper than the gym I used to work at, but you can call me cheap. Call me cheap if you want, but say I take 5 showers in a month and each day pass is $20. That's $100 a month on 5 showers. Crazy work. So I'm gonna head down to Durango, get a bucket. Oh, I need to explain here. So my big 6-gallon water jug, I got my shower head like 2 days before I left for my trip, and my logic was like, okay, I'll just stick it in the 6-gallon tank. The intake won't fit. It's too big to fit in there. So what I'll do is I'll just dump water from the tank into the bucket, take the shower, and then any water that I didn't use, I'll put back into the water container. There we go. Now that makes sense. All right. Let me wait for my truck to warm up a little bit more, and then we'll get moving. I just cleared 150,000 miles on this thing, so probably 2 days ago. Yeah, on my way into Durango. So I gotta be gentle. Cool. Alright, just left Walmart, got my bucket, and then I got windshield screen, just for privacy. It's not like it's for the heat. I like the idea of less people being able to see into my truck. And then we're moving out. We're about to go, we're gonna hit up this hot spring real quick, and then we will push onward to Silverton and Ouray. Cool.
I made some money on the dice game, spent the money on some beer. I picked a lizard up in East Louisiana, hadn't seen her in a couple of years. I drank a bottle of tequila in the evening. When I woke up I was back on the road. I pushed a Slater rig to Oklahoma with a heavier load. I met a tweaker in the Badlands, also methamphetamine. I used to light her in a little piece of foil, roll the window up in my little machine. And I got higher in a 747, Lord, I felt like I was flying a plane. There's 18 wheelers running, it's moving like a passenger train.
What's up, guys? I'm in Silverton. Just grabbed me some stickers. This was a sticker-worthy drive. The video doesn't do it justice. It's probably the prettiest drive I've ever done in my life. So now, stop, find somewhere and go to the bathroom, and get some lunch. So cool. All right, guys. Stopped for lunch. Got me a green chili cheeseburger. It was one of the best meals I've had since I left. Probably the best meal I've had since I left. Heading back into town real quick. See if there's anything else I want to do before I push on. But yeah, hold on. Crazy, man. Well, guys, I made a pit stop. There was no signage on this road, but I literally turned around and drove up it. There's a waterfall up there. I can see it coming down all the way from the very top of the mountain. God, this is beautiful. I tried to drive up it, but they had it coned off. And then they don't have it set up for hikers. Man. You talk about beautiful, though. You can't make that up. All right, we soldier on.
When the sun goes down and the clouds start counting that line, smell the diesel burning when the motor starts turning and them cylinders are ready to whine. I'm on the midnight train, gonna run a little engine off the rails. The highway is the same old heaven, Lord, it's the same old hell. Some days now, my supply is running low. I called my brother up to see if he was holding and told him I had money to blow. He said he knew about a dealer in Durango, but he's leaving in a couple of days. So I'm gonna push this little rig to Colorado with my mind in the haze. I'm flying 90 down the highway, headlights are burning down the line. I hear the engine is screaming like an eagle, gonna make it just a matter of time.
All right, guys, it is 2:49. Man, that drive blew my mind. I went and made sure I could get a spot, with it being Labor Day at all. Make sure I could get a spot up here in Ridgeway State Park. It's definitely the nicest state park I've ever stayed at. Got bathrooms right there, and then across the lot they have actual real showers. They've got more bathrooms, vending machines, a dish sink. What are we talking about here? And then the service desk hooked me up. Just check out this view. Yeah, buddy. Talk to me nice. Yeah. So I forgot to mention, I'm also right next to a lake. I just wanted to get my spot reserved. And boy, did I get it reserved. I got it reserved for 2 nights. It was definitely on the pricier side. $95 for 2 nights, which I mean isn't bad by any means. I mean, could be better though. But there are about 4 waterfalls, at least that I can get to with my truck, which let's take a moment for the 150,000 mile truck, because I've already stayed at some pretty sketchy in terms of getting up and down campsites, and this truck doesn't have 4-wheel drive at all, where a Ford with 4-wheel drive would have the knob to shift to 4-wheel drive. This truck has a coin holder. Oh, look, deer. That's what's up. This truck has a coin holder. So I've been getting 8 miles up, 8 miles down through the mountains, this and that, with all-terrain tires. I have that with all-terrain tires and a love of the game, dude. I love the game, love the hustle. So now that I officially have a place to stay for the night, I am going to head back into Ouray. It is Ouray, not Ouray. When I was in Silverton, I asked the ladies at the gas station, you know, what I should do. You know, like, it's actually Ouray. I'm like, my bad. I just sound like a hick to all these people, so I get all kinds of weird looks. But now I'm gonna head back into Ouray. It's about 25-30 minute drive. We're gonna see these damn waterfalls, people. Let's rock.
My eyes are heavy and I'm thinking about my baby. Lord, I wish that I could see her again. Driving like the devil, wanna push the pedal into the wind. When the sun goes down and the cows start pounding out the line, you can smell the diesel burning when the motors start to turning and them siblings are ready.
Alright guys, so all the waterfalls outside of the one you just saw are either closed or will be closed in about 15 minutes. So number one, I've got plenty of activities for tomorrow. I mean, come on, dude. Crazy work. Crazy work. I got, let's see, about 3 trails. So, oh, cool, man. So that gives me tomorrow and the next day, in the morning at least, whew, to hit those 3 trails. They're all in between 2.5 to 4.5 miles. So yeah. In the meantime, what I would like to do is go back to the campsite. Get everything unpacked. Get a shower. Oh, shut up. That shower's gonna kick. Cook dinner. Chill out. I want to look at this GoPro footage because if it's as cool as it was experiencing it in real life, I'm gonna be very excited. Good day. Honestly, I would say probably the best day so far since we started. Let's get it, dude. Let me shut this shit up real quick. And before you ask, yes, I do have a spatula. It's just all the way in the back. And I don't feel like jumping all the way up into the truck and crawling all the way back there and digging through all the stuff and finding it. So we're using this, and then I'll sanitize it. Boy, quit playing with them. Let that man cook. I'm gonna finish letting the hamburger helper. Yes, it's hamburger helper. We're not gonna talk about it. I'm camping in the woods. I'm gonna let this finish cooking, and then I'm gonna munch and watch some Star Wars, and then we'll see about getting a shower. It's a beautiful day, damn it. Just got a nice little shower. Check this out, the sun's going down. Beautiful mountains. Hell yeah, brother. Alright guys, so hold up. There we go. So it was really dope tonight. As I was walking back from using the I'm next to the bathrooms. So I was walking back from using the bathrooms. I just happened to look up, and this has been the first night of the trip that I was actually able to see stars in the sky. Like a lot of them. It was awesome. I remember seeing them a lot as a kid, and like growing up, but it's been so long because even when I was in Durango, I think I was still close enough to a big enough city to where I couldn't really see. I could see a handful of them, but I could see, I mean, across the entire sky. I could actually like pick out constellations and whatever. So it was super cool. Now, fixing to get into bed. Says it's 73 degrees in here, but it'll cool off real fast. And then I plan on waking up early-ish tomorrow. Getting my hiking bag packed, and then I want to hit at least 2 trails tomorrow. So we'll get after it. Morning, guys. It says it's 63 degrees in the truck. Felt so good last night. Slept, so I was nice and toasty. I think I drank enough water yesterday though. I'm all dried out. Show you guys my view. So I'm going to get up, get ready, get some caffeine. I'm gonna start heading into town and see about hitting these trails. Let's go. I tell you what, thank God I did this while it was still cool in the morning, because I just finished the falls and now I'm doing about a quarter mile of a hike, just about straight up to that high bridge. It said, the sign at the bottom said, do at your own risk. If you have health conditions or you live at low altitude. That's me. Hey, I live at low altitude, but we're doing it.
You change your energy when we get home. Get what you need and then I'm all alone. Blessings raining down upon me. Baby, it's no harm if you really want my money. Come and take it from me. Come and take it from me. Take advantage of my better nature. I burn through money and I'm burning paper. Who needs it? Not me. Whenever you feel, you tell me rumble. Need something to eat. I've been there for me. Whenever you feel your pocket's empty, can call on me. I've been there for me. Call on me, baby.
All right, guys, hike number 1 done. I am stopping in town now, get some breakfast, and see if I can't find some stickers. Cool. Boys, I really want to get behind this waterfall. I don't know how sketchy it is, though. Hold up. Ooh, this is sketchy. Hooey. Oh yeah, dude. Brother. We're behind a waterfall, brother. Ain't that crazy? Woo. Won't he do it? I'm not gonna lie, guys. I've been sitting behind this waterfall for the last, like, 45 minutes. I low-key might just chill here for a while. Cool. I'm back at the state park. I'm heading down to the lake now. When I was a young boy, when I was driving back up to the state park, I was looking at the lake, and I swear over by the day use area, they had paddle boards. So, oh, cool. So that's what I'm gonna do. See if I can't get down there and find me some paddle boards. What kind of lake? I've never seen a lake with water this blue. In Texas, we have mud water. That's what we got. Oh, this is beautiful, man. What's up, guys? So the trail didn't get me over to the day use area, so I drove over there, and the paddle boards were for rent. It's like 45 bucks for an hour. I was like, nah, I'm good. I don't want to paddleboard that bad. So I just pulled back up to the campsite, and now I think I'm gonna do some of this organization that I was talking about. Cool. So I was getting out of the shower. That was my view. Oh, carrying my water jug. Got out of the shower. Had my dinner. For the little hiking I did, surprisingly, I wasn't that hungry. So I just made soup. Today is my last day here. Tomorrow, I will go hit my first national park. I don't have to be out of here until noon, so I got time. But I will do some more organization. Hold on, I'll show you what I've done. So for right now, everything's kind of thrown in here in this part, but all up front, got my DOP kit back there now, and then I condensed everything in here. So camera bag, speaker, I got my sleeping bag tucked back there because it was just so unnecessary. Like, I wasn't using it at all. That other towel, so I have a black towel in this corner. That other towel is going to go in this corner, just as a preventative measure in case there is still some water leakage. And then yeah, we'll work on this tomorrow, and then we will work on the front. I don't even want to show you guys the front. But yeah, today was probably the best day of the trip. No, probably. It was, without a doubt. Tomorrow we will be on to the national parks. In the meantime, I'm gonna brush my teeth and everything. I'm gonna crawl up in bed. Cool.